How to change note color on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Instagram application from your device and make sure that you are logged into your specific Instagram account. Now let's head over to our notes section. Tap on the messenger icon on your right hand side. You will see your note option. As you can see that the color of my note has been changed. Let's go ahead and do the same again. Tap onto your note. Let's go ahead and tap on leave a new note. So here are certain phrases that you can use if you would like to change the note color. For instance, I'm going to type in please, please, please 3 times. And tap on share. Refresh your page. As you can see, note color has been changed. Let's go ahead and do another one. You can type in espresso. Tap on share. Refresh. So espresso does that as well. And likewise, if you type in nonsense and tap on share, this word changes the color of notes as well. Likewise, you can also use a kissing emoji. Use this emoji and tap on share. Refresh your page and this does it as well. Just like so, this is how you can do it. That quite wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more cool tricks on Instagram, then do like and subscribe. We will catch you up in our next upload.